Okay, so lads, we're doing what's called congruent triangles. Okay, now, the word congruent means identical. So if you ever go to the wax museum and you see you sometimes see wax museums where they make a replica of you. So it's where you see like a celeb standing right beside basically a wax statue of themselves. Sometimes you can't even tell the difference between the two of them. That's what we're talking about. Identical in every way, shape, and form. Okay? So, example is the reason why these triangles are congruent. You'll see now. That's a 6.5. That's a 6.5. Go with that? You looking? That's a 4. That's a 4. And finally, that's a 7. And that's a 7. When all three sides are the same length, otherwise known as SSS, it means that the triangles have to be identical. They're congruent. Is that okay? Now, does AAA work? Angle, angle, angle. Okay, I'll show you why angle, angle, angle doesn't work right now. Okay, angle, angle, angle is, they're similar but not identical. Everybody see that triangle there? Okay, there's its clone. Because I cloned it, all these triangles are congruent. What happens if I grab this and scale it up? Did I change the angle? No. Shh. Lads, in this triangle here, all the angles are the same length or the same size. But because the sides are in different lengths, it means they're not congruent. So AAA is useless when it comes to congruent triangles. Okay. Now, there are 4 different methods as shown. If you ever see the word congruent pop up in a test, get temp marks. All you need to do is rattle off the 4 of them, even if you don't know which one you're using. You'll get temp marks. Okay. Now let's run through the 3 of them. Okay. The first one is the one we discussed already, called side, side, side. Okay. So, would everybody agree that the triangle on the left is called ABC? How do we know it's called ABC? And what do you think the other one's called? Okay. Now, you'll see this weird equal sign with 3 lines. Any idea what the 3 lines mean? It means congruence. So, I did something wrong there. Can anybody specify what I did wrong? I said ABC is congruent to DEF. I didn't specify that I'm talking about the triangle. So I had to put in the triangle symbol, don't I? Now, why are they congruent to each other? Can anybody tell me? 6 same as 6, yeah. 4 is the same as 4. And finally, 5 is the same as 5. They're equal by side, side, side. Is that okay with you guys? They do automatically have the same angles because they are the same triangle. So I'll give you an example. I'll dial the highlighter back a bit. All right. And here's what I want you to understand. The fact that we haven't got a single measure of an angle there, agreed? There's not a single measure of any angles, right? But because I proved that they're congruent, this means the angle between 4 and 5, this angle here between 4 and 5 is the same as the angle between 4 and 5 on the other triangle. This angle here between 5 and 6 has to be the same as that red angle there. And finally, the angle between 4 and 6 is the same as that angle there. They are the same size because we proved the congruence. Any questions? Sure. So all you need to know so far is SSS. Everything's the same. The angles are the same. The lengths are the same. The triangles are congruent. Good. All right. Let's keep going. Next thing we're doing is angle, side, angle. Okay. Now, it's very important that you realize that. Oh, sorry, side, angle, side. SAS. Side, angle, side. Now, this is what's known as the included angle. What do I mean by the included angle? Yeah, the angle that, no, not with the measurement. It's the angle that's sandwiched between the 2 sides. Is that all right? So when you look at this diagram here, and we'll make this diagram fairly big. Next page, please. Right, here it is. Ready? 4. And we agree that's the 4. 4. 7. 7. You see the way the green line and the blue line? What angle do they meet at? And see the way both of them do it? That's classic SAS. Both of them meet same included angle. Okay? And that means that they're congruent for what reason again? Side angle. Good. Okay, you ready? We'll get to the questions later. Okay, next one. ASA. Now, ASA is similar. What this means is, you've all figured out already. Angle, side up here. Where does the side have to be? Has to be in between, doesn't it? And this is known as ASA. Yeah? There we go. And we see this triangle up here. Refer to the book, it has them rotated, which is cool. Okay, now, here it is, large as I can get it, okay? Alright, James. We have 30 marked off with 30. We have 40 marked off with 40. And finally, we have 5 marked off with 5. Everybody agreed? So, what do we think the deal is here? They're congruent by ASA. What's the name of the triangle on the left? What's it called? Triangle PQR. Would you be wrong if you said QPR? No. Any letters in any order. But what do most sensible people do? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. You say A, B, C and not really C, A, B. Yeah, you're not wrong, but let's try and keep it in alphabetical order if we can. Right, and what do I have to say? 3 lines or 2 lines? And what was that? It's congruent. Can't see that third letter though, can we? It's N. MN. Oh. Okay, we're going to pause there. I'm going to knock off the video for a second. Now, this is RHS, gents. Okay? And with RHS, here's what we're looking at. Right angle is the R. Hypotenuse has to be the hypotenuse. It's H. And finally, other side, S. All right? And you're only allowed to do this when it specifically specifies that it is a right angle triangle. Does it specifically specify it's a right angle triangle? How? Right angles in the corner. Cool with that? Now let's start off. What does R mean? What does R stand for again? Right angles. Both of them are 90 degrees. What does H stand for? Hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? The longest line in both triangles are there, and they're the same. So that's R ticked off, that's H ticked off. What's the last thing I have to tick off? S. Are any of the other two sides equal to each other? Where are they? 4 and 4. This proves that these two triangles are congruent. That the triangle, what's it, RST, is congruent to the triangle. I'm actually doing the alphabet in my head there. TUV. Okay, so UV, W. Is that all right? Cool. I need to stop writing grades. Tell me stop writing grades. All right. Lads, you guys are going to have a look at question 1. Just have a go at all part 1, and then I'll